Hey everybody, welcome to Drunken Sailor Cocktails. I'm Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and I have to say, we have an amazing cocktail for you today. Ooh, it's springtime. There's blueberries. It's a margarita, a spring blueberry margarita. This one is absolutely amazing. Hey, if you've never been here before, this is the place where we make easy, delicious cocktails. Sometimes they even look good. We're going to go step by step so you can turn your home bar into one that your friends will be absolutely amazed with. If you want to see our cocktails, hit that subscribe button over there. Leave us a like, leave us a comment. Tell us what kind of cocktails you want to see and what you thought about this one. So I'm going to shut up now, and all I got to say is, let's get pouring. We've just got a few simple ingredients for this. We've got some fresh blueberries. This is the wonderful time of year that blueberries, depending on your part of the country, are starting to come into season. They'll be here all summer long, so you can have this cocktail all summer long fresh. We've got some lime juice. I did say it was a margarita. Well, a little bit different in here. Instead of using a simple syrup to sweeten it up, we are going to use cream to coconut, and of course, some arete tequila. It's one of our favorites. It's really, really highly rated. It's delicious, and it's not a really expensive bottle of tequila. So, first thing that goes in there are, of course, the blueberries. Now, depending on the size of the blueberries, you can get away as few as 4 or 5, but I'm just going to take a little handful, drop them in there, and let's take everything that's in the plate. And then I'm going to use 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Next item is cream to coconut. Now, I use the cocoa reel, and I love this. I think it's really, really tasty. It's got a super nice texture to it, but if you use it the second time, you've got to have it refrigerated. Now, what I typically do before I use this, I'll take it out and let it set to get to room temperature. It's really super thick, so if you take it right out of the refrigerator, you're not going to get it out of the bottle. Or toss it in the microwave for 15-20 seconds, but we're going to use 1 ounce. It's thick, it's gooey, it's delicious. Now what I want to do is I want to incorporate those berries into the cocktail. So what I'm going to do is get my Muddle stick out and just squish those berries. It's also going to give this cocktail that color that you saw. Absolutely beautiful. Once you popped all those berries in there, it's time for the tequila. We're going to use 2 ounces. As I said, I'm using arete. It's a really inexpensive tequila with great taste. Just super. 2 ounces. And it even comes with a pour in the bottle. Now, I've used smaller ice cubes to shake this with, and I did that for one reason primarily. Those smaller ice cubes will help break up the cocktail as I shake it. So, we've got that all put together. Now let's put it in there, and it's time to give this a good shake. It's a margarita. Key the mariachi band. About a 10-second shake is enough to get this cold. And there we go. Now, for my glass, what I want to do is I want to fill this all the way up with those smaller sized ice cubes again. There's a stray one everywhere you go. Because I did muddle this and we've got berry chunks in there, we are going to double strain on this one. And it takes a little bit to get it out of there because the strainer inside this style of shaker is doing a lot of filtering in there too. We're almost there. This is good. I want every drop. All we need to do is garnish. And to garnish, what I want to do is, of course, I'm going to take that traditional lime wheel for a margarita, and to reflect our spring and our blueberries, we are going to put three blueberries on a skewer and put that on the cocktail. And here is today's Springtime Blueberry Margarita. Beautiful smooth tequila, fresh, tasty blueberries, creaminess and that tropical hints of coconut. This one is sure to make your springtime special. Cheers, everyone.